Hey, here I am with the deal of the day. You guys are going to love this. In case you didn't know this, I'm a full-time prepper. And this is not a side gig for me, guys. This is not some little trinky thing I'm playing. One of my jobs is to find things for my Patreons, find things for my followers. They're dependent on me to try and save them some money in this crappy-ass economy we're in. I'm going to make this easy. I found a deal. I found a company. They're working with me. They're giving me 50% off on their Amazon page. 50% off on a prepper item that you gotta have if you want to store food. This deal is for 7 mil Mylar bags, 100 of them, made by a 30-year-old American company, America, for 50% off. Not a joke. Go there. Save money. Go to the link in the description. Find it. You're gonna like it. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.